I'm here with my good friend, Gerri McGuire.
Gerri, you better yell! Show me the money!
It's Gerri Swanson. Gerri McGuire can show you the money, but I'll actually give you the money.
I love that. If you're looking to buy a home that needs repairs or remodel, etc., Gerri's got 4 products that actually would work. And let's talk about one of them today.
Today we're going to talk about the conventional homestyle program, which is for light to moderate repairs and updates and things like that. No additions or structural changes, but really anything you can think of, painting, flooring, anything that's really under $35,000. Nice. It does not require any oversight or consultant for the property. We can go up to 100% of the appraised value. Okay. And on a primary residence, you can even get it for a minimum of 5% down payment. It's offered for second homes, which is with a 10% down payment, and even investment properties with a 20% down payment. So it's a great program, great option for people, especially right now, with all of the properties that may need some rehabbing.
And if you're looking for more information on the other 3 products of the 4 that are out there, make sure you go out to our YouTube channel, Bartos Group, and make sure if you like this content, subscribe and hit the notification bell.